Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Grammarly for tone and clarity in job messages, full guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to Grammarly's website. Log in to your Grammarly account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Settings in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the Audience section. Choose the audience that best fits your job messages. Next, find the Formality section. Select your desired level of formality for your communication. Now, navigate to the Tone section. Here, you can choose the tone you want to convey in your messages. For job messages, consider selecting friendly or professional. Once you've adjusted the tone, look for the clarity settings. This section allows you to prioritize clarity in your messages. Make sure to enable suggestions for concise wording. Next, check the delivery settings. Adjust them based on the urgency of your message. If your message is time-sensitive, select Urgent. Now, start drafting a new message in the Grammarly editor. As you write, pay attention to the suggestions Grammarly provides. Make adjustments based on the clarity and tone recommendations. After finishing your draft, review the overall message. Ensure it aligns with the tone you want to project. Finally, click on Apply Suggestions to finalize your edits. Your job message is now optimized for tone and clarity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.